Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix verification required on App Store. So guys, when you have opened your App Store facing this issue, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your settings, click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After doing this, you have to go back. So guys, if you are using mobile data, you need to turn on your mobile data. After doing this, you have to click on Apple ID name, and guys, after this you need to click on sign in and security, and after this you have to wait for a few seconds. So guys, simply you have to wait. You will find this type of interface. So guys, simply you have to verify your Gmail address first if you have not verified, and guys, you have to turn on your two-factor authentication and verify your phone number, and at last you have to turn on automatic verification. And guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to change your Apple ID password, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to sign out your Apple ID, and guys, sign in again after 5 to 10 minutes, and guys, after this you will be able to fix this problem easily. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.